Hi, I'm Tyler. Today this is our first ever episode and we're going to be installing an ISR up pipe on my 2011 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. Stay tuned. Alright, so we just got done installing everything. Let's go ahead and take a look. Wide bodying my car. And one fender is on. We got something super exciting for you today. We're gonna be cutting my hood. We're putting these hood vents on today. Not complete. It's just a little bit of prep of what we've done so far. This is our professional setup because we're professionals.
This is as professional as it gets, guys.
As professional as it gets.
This is my custom built cross-strapped spray booth. There it is. Nice deep black base.
So we got 3 of these gallons. 3. So we should have, how many coats should that be?
That could do 5 coats if we wanted to.
5 coats. Probably 4 coats of base coat is what we're gonna do. Base coat's already down, everything leveled out pretty nice.
That is as clear as it gets.
Nah, split, wave. That's gross.
excited. We'll see you guys at Premium. Oh, we are finally here. Premium. We got Daniel and my dad back here talking because they know each other. But here it comes. We're saying our goodbyes. And hold on, let me find the keys. Here are the keys. This is my first time leaving the car since I've had it.
Really?
They are. Yeah.
Oh man,
I've never been without
it.
it.
Wrong hands.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. I'm
All right,
kidding.
so we say
Brother.
goodbye to the Genesis, man.
It's gonna be dope.
I've got some explaining to do. Hold on. Remember a couple videos ago when I told you I wasn't gonna do it? Well, here we are.
Oh my god.
Excited, Sam? Yeah. For everybody sitting at home, this is Sam from Road Race Engineering. Sam is a total wizard, so if you guys need your car tuned, it's late at night. We're doing ethanol pulls now. Sam is getting the base map set, and then we're gonna start doing some pulls. My 400 horsepower Genesis Coupe. Here's the part for my cutout. Remember what I told you about my horsepower of my cutout? My cutout makes 226 horsepower to the wheel when it's closed. It makes 419 when it's open.
You mean it wasn't open?
No, now it's open. And this is, it makes pretty violent sounds. See this? Look how sick. Let's get this.
Waste my time. Don't say I never told you. Go, get out of my mind. I refuse to be a soldier.
Brandon and I came up with this idea. What is the DJ? Dude, these things came out so sick. The journey is not quite over, but we finally made it to our destination, Rap Legacy. The car is here.